Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new rows from Google Sheets to Zoho Inventory. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new rows from Google Sheets to other systems. For example, in Zoho Inventory, to create new contacts each time a new row is added to Google Sheets, it is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Google Sheets data source system. Now you need to select the action Get Rows New. At this stage, you need to connect your Google Sheets account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the username and password of your Google account. Give ApiX-Drive permission to work with your account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. Next, you need to specify the file and sheet from which the data will be unloaded. In the field Start Data Loading with Row Number, you must specify the row number from which you want to start uploading data. For example, if you have 1000 rows in the table and you do not want to transfer all these rows, you need to specify the number 999 in order to start downloading from the last one. I have 2 rows in my table, so I will specify 2. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so just click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your rows in Google Sheets. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the Google Sheets data source setup. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. Choose Zoho Inventory as the data ingestion system. Next, select the Create Contact action. At this stage, you need to connect your Zoho Inventory account to the ApiX-Drive service. Enter your username and password. Give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Next, you need to fill in the fields with variables from Google Sheets. In order to assign a variable, click on the field to which you need to transfer data and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also enter values manually. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Edit and Continue. At this stage, we see the test data that will be sent to Zoho Inventory. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Zoho Inventory. We go to the Zoho Inventory personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.